The mobile plate is an innovative wearable carrier bracket designed to elevate your workspace and enhance your efficiency. It allows you to work comfortably and productively while standing or walking, promoting better posture and reducing fatigue. The mobile plate is lightweight, easy to use, and compatible with a variety of devices, making it an ideal solution for mobile professionals and individuals who want to work on the go. Here are some of the key features and benefits of the mobile plate. The mobile plate is designed to fit securely and comfortably on your body, distributing weight evenly and preventing strain or discomfort. The mobile plate can be adjusted to your desired height and angle, allowing you to work in a position that suits your needs and preferences. The mobile plate can be used to support a variety of devices, including laptops, tablets, and even books. This makes it a versatile tool for work, study, or leisure activities. The mobile plate is lightweight and easy to carry, making it convenient to take with you wherever you go. Compatible with various surfaces, the mobile plate can be used on a variety of surfaces, including desks, tables, and even floors. This allows you to work in a variety of settings. Here are some of the pros and cons of the mobile plate. Pros: promotes better posture and reduces fatigue. Lightweight and easy to carry. Compatible with a variety of devices. Multifunctional use. Adjustable height and angle. Cons: can be bulky when folded. May not be suitable for all users, especially those with limited mobility. Some users may find the price to be a bit high. Overall, the mobile plate is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to work more comfortably and efficiently while on the go. Its versatile design, lightweight construction, and ease of use make it an ideal choice for mobile professionals, students, and individuals who simply want to improve their posture and reduce fatigue while working. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.